Hello guys, this is Jonathan Bhuvan and welcome to my channel Bhuvan Vlogs. Today I'm going to unbox a smartphone which is a very nice and compatible, and this smartphone is one of the best in this franchise's Symphony, and this smartphone comes from the company named Symphony. In this price range, this smartphone can easily beat all other companies. So without any hesitation, let's start the video. Today I bought a smartphone, and this smartphone comes from the company named Symphony. Basically, people use this Symphony for low budget with much facilities. For much facilities they buy Symphony. So today, which I bought, this model is one of the best franchise in this group, and this is one of the best smartphone Symphony ever produced. So let's unbox it. I've got the box in my hand. This is the model, Symphony Z12, and it has many kinds of facilities which doesn't give by any kinds of group what Symphony has given. It has Android 9, which is a Pi version. It has 6.09 HD plus IPS water drop display. It has 1.6 GHz Octa core processor, 8 MP front and 13 MP plus 2 MP back dual camera with AI face unlock. Its ROM is 16 GB and it has given RAM of 2 GB. So I cannot wait to unbox it. I cannot wait to open the case. If I open the case, it simply comes with a smartphone. The main thing what we need is this, and this is the back side of the phone, and it comes with a radiant red. Okay, so there's a sticker which says all the facilities which is given in the smartphone. Let's open it. It has 6.09 HD plus IPS water drop display, and the back, oh my god, its design is just fascinating in this price range. And if we just simply open this, you can see the whole back glass is simply amazing. It has two cameras in the back, one camera on the front. So in this box we can get a fast charger which is provided from the company Symphony. This is the charger which has provided from the company for this model. And I'd like to give information that whenever you buy a smartphone, you have to use the charger which is given by the company. You should use it carefully. You should not charge without this kind of model, without the model you have buy, because if you charge, the power development ability will be decreased and your phone cannot be charged. And if you buy another type of charger for your phone and this won't give you result, the quality will diminish and the time will elapse. The time will increase, the phone won't be charged in a small time. So you should use this. Whether you buy a smartphone, you should use that kind of models charger. Okay, so here's a cable for this charger, and here's a earphone which is provided in this box for this model. So one kind of regular earphone you can get. It's a regular earphone, but I think the sound quality will be amazing because it is given for this kinds of model. Okay, and in the box you can get a transparent cover, back cover only, which all need for mobile protection. And for this kinds of transparent back cover, can easily show what your mobile color and design is. So it's perfect. Then you can get a book which you can, it's a user manual with warranty card for this model Z12. You can get some information about this mobile, and you can also get the warranty information. Okay, now the mobile is on my hand. It is the 6.09 HD plus IPS water drop display. In this price range, water drop display is, you know, over the air, over the sky, because you won't get any kinds of mobile in this price range with water drop display. But Symphony has taken the risk and give it for only for your opinion. And this is a phone. Let's see. Let's go to the system and about Z12. It says it has octa-core Cortex A55 1.6 GHz processor, which is without, you can play any kinds of apps or games in this mobile without any difficulties. Then it has IMG GE8322 GPU, and its RAM is 2 GB for faster gaming experience and app using experience. It has a huge 2500 mAh battery, and in this price range, these kinds of battery does not given by any kinds of mobile. And its internal memory is 16 GB. And here you can get the information about IMEI, whether you lost the phone. You can simply go to the IMEI checkout and search your mobile's IMEI. Is it original or is it a replica? It says Android is 9. All kinds of information has been given on the phone. And here are some sample pictures in the here are some sample pictures of this, which is captured by Z12. The camera of the mobile is much, you know, it's very good in this price range, because you won't get any kinds of, you know, dual camera with one is 13 megapixel and one is 2 rear view megapixel camera, and its front is 8 megapixel, which is a very huge in this price range. And here you can get, if you are photoholic, if you want to capture photos, if you're an Instagram influencer, if you're a mobile YouTuber, then you can, I will suggest you this mobile, because its camera is just perfect. It has autofocus ability, it has DSLR types of ability, and it has protection, fingerprint unlock, AI face unlock. So in this price range, these kinds of facilities are very rare. So people can, if you have a low budget, if you want to buy a mobile which much facilities and low budget, then I will simply suggest this model, Z12, Symphony Z12, and without any hesitation you can buy this mobile and use it. So I'm going to give the ratings 10 out of 10 for the design, for this amazing color and design, gradient red. 9 out of 10 for the display. Okay, I've given 9 because the display is much good, but it can be a little bit, they can give the notch a little bit smaller. Okay, so a little bit smaller, that's why I've given 9. 10 out of 10 for the back camera, 10 out of 10 for the front camera, 10 out of 10 for all kinds of app using and playing games abilities, and 10 out of 10 for having face unlock with fingerprint unlock. So guys, this mobile, the price of the mobile is much handy. If you want a mobile under $100, I will recommend this mobile, because it's only $93.8, you know, in dollars. And if you are living in Bangladesh, you can easily get this mobile with a price of 7,990 taka. And if you're living on India, then you can get this mobile with 4,500 rupees or 5,000 rupees. Then if you're living outside in these two countries, outside the country, then you have to spend only $93 for this mobile, and under $100 this mobile is perfect for using. And mobile YouTubers, Instagram influencers, if you're looking for low budget mobile with much facilities, I will definitely give this mobile, in my opinion, it's very good and it's very fascinating. And I can assure you this won't disappoint you. So this was the video for today, and I have to give an information. I have bought an extra data cable of Remax metal RC okay, for whether the charging cable, if the charging cable is weak, if I use it for 1 or 2 years, the charging cable will easily get weakened and I have to use this, or I have to buy. So I have bought this. So today's video, for this I have give a review of this amazing phone. So make sure you have liked the video. If you like, you can tap on the like button. If you dislike the video, then you can easily dislike the video. And if you want to give any kinds of information or any kinds of, you know, advice, then you can easily comment on the comment section. It's always open. And make sure, if you like it, just subscribe to my channel, and you can get different kinds of unboxing video. I'm a technical reviewer, so I'm going to unbox many kinds of technical things, and which can be handy for you. So that's all for today. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.